Hello everyone. In this video, I will resume the talk about data interaction with our general purpose token that we began in the last video. In this video, I will make interaction with a big data file. I will use this video.mv that has 9 megabytes of data, and I will use the last state of our contract that we produced in the last video, and let's use it to insert this 9 megabyte files in our contract, in our token. So we just need to inform here the current state of our contract, and all things are the same as in the previous video. Now we can interact, use this interact gt set data, and let's wait for the connection with the mempool. It has done in the interaction, the basic interactions. Now, if all will be okay, this will be our TX-ID of the current state of our contract. So we got this bad request here because I forgot to save our file. Now let's try again, and now with the file saved, let's see how it will do. Now the process is going all okay up to now, and now we get the TX-ID of the next stage if all finish well. So it looks like everything will be okay, and now we get this message here that we must check our transaction, the transaction of the next state at Bitails, because it's broadcasted through Bitails. We cannot broadcast such a big transaction through whatsonchain. They don't support this broadcasting, but we can check. Let's see. Here it finishes well. It finished well. I'll get it here, and I will come here at whatsonchain and try to check the transaction, and it's not here in the whatsonchain. But if we come here at Bitails and try to check for our transaction, we ask this execution, and we can check here, and it's just waited to be confirmed. So when it's confirmed here, when the first confirmation, it usually comes in the next block, and it will be possible to track the transaction by whatsonchain. But before the confirmation, only Bitails can be used to check the state of our transaction. Anyways, our transaction is broadcasted, and it's waiting for confirmation. Looking at whatsonchain, we saw that last block was 14 minutes ago, and when the next block happens, it may be that our transaction will be appearing here at whatsonchain also. Let's just try once more before the confirmation of the transaction, confirmation of the block. It's not yet here, but let's wait for the next block confirmation. It is usually not good to make another interaction before the confirmation of the transaction when it's not in the mempool of whatsonchain, because it will not get some informations that we need to interact with the transaction, with the state of the contract, so we must just wait for the confirmation of the next block that may become in some minutes. Now the next block just came and our transaction is already confirmed, and it appears here at the Watson Chain Explorer. Here's our contract. Now let's read the data from our contract, from the current state of our contract. Let's take the state here and let's just use the read file here. Place the new state of the contract, and let's say it to write in this file here with this name, video read.wmv, and let's just interact with it reading the data inside our contract. It took some time to read and made the reading stop. It's still the old state that it read because I again forget to save the file. Now let's do the reading of the right file. As you can see, it didn't read the size of the data well, and neither the EXID was the correct because I forgot to save the file. Now it will take some time to read the data because it is more than 9 megabytes of data. So it's doing the work, and after that it will save the file with this name here and will show some information like this one. So the process is finishing and it read the file 9. Here we have 9.7, 9.8 megabytes of data that we read from the blockchain, and it saved the file here. Here the file, we cannot, it does not show us the file here, but let's come here inside the folder of the file so we can see the original file and the file read from the blockchain, and we can just play this video here because it is okay to do that. So the video can be played just as any other file you can use. So it's the way to interact with files inside the blockchain. So I'll leave you now. May God bless you and see you next time.